Welcome back to my renovation here on Iris Street. This is the 74th week. My name's Adam, and it's the third full week of drywalling. I also install an antenna behind this fireplace assembly in case I want to get the digital over-the-air television stations. And also, my final RTA cabinets come. I was waiting on a couple of base 36s and a couple of base 18s. Those base 36s will make up the island between the kitchen and the living room, and those base 18s, one will just be a regular cabinet, the other one will be a trash can cupboard. So, without further ado, let's get to some drywalling, some antennaing, and some cabinetry. Hey guys, real quick, I just want to show you how much light is coming down into the basement when the sun is coming from the west upstairs. It's one of the reasons I moved the staircase, and it lets in so much light downstairs. Let me show you. As you can see, look at all that light just flooding down. It's probably hard to tell on video, but it floods light both into these back bedrooms and just all over down here. Look how bright it gets up there. I mean, it is bright, and not to mention the light that's coming from those skylights. So just wanted to give you a quick peek because, you know, it's not really something I've showed off, but it's working out exactly as I planned, especially as we head towards the summer here with more sunlight and things. So just wanted to show you. I spent the rest of the day installing one more sheet of drywall in the master bedroom. I'm trying to make as much progress on even these work days as I can. So hanging this sheet up, getting it screwed down, and I'll finish it off by trimming out that window. This is the beginning of the antenna project behind the fireplace. I'm making a custom length of coax cable so I can connect that antenna to one of my gang boxes, and it's just gonna sit behind the fireplace. This isn't something that I really care about, but I figured, you know, I should put in an antenna if I'm gonna have a TV there. So just getting it all leveled out, installing that coaxial into my existing AV umbilical, hanging up that antenna. I'm just using some cable ties and some cable clamps to hold it in place. And then after that, I can finally finish up the drywall. Everything's in place. I've triple checked all of my AV gangs. You've seen that over the weeks and weeks. And so at long last, I can finally enclose this fireplace. And if I really need to, I can still crawl inside there. The fireplace won't actually get hooked up until I'm done drywalling and mudding and texturing and even painting. That'll go in before the floors, but definitely after the drywall. So this sheet took me a couple of attempts. Sometimes those holes can be tricky. I was able to reuse that first incorrect sheet on the bottom part where that fireplace cutout goes. And all in all, this was a great way to end the day. I've been looking forward to finishing this fireplace for a long time, and it's finally done. I had a little extra time at the end of the day, so I also went ahead and hung up a little more sheetrock in the study. This is one of the desk nooks. My dad and I kick off the weekend by installing some of this blue mold and moisture resistant drywall in the bathrooms. I'll actually end up having to take a little bit of this out and put it back up because there is an order of operations to the bathrooms that I forgot about. We were just excited to get some drywall up on the walls, and it's also when my dad's up here helping me, we hang those higher sheets because it's really hard to hang them by yourself. So my dad's working on some things in the bathroom. I'm just doing littler sheets in the hallway here, tag teaming things and working on those big sheets when we're able to. So most of the bathrooms, the upper sheets are hung this weekend. Littler stuff I can get myself. At long last, my back-ordered RTA cabinets arrive. These are a couple of base 36s that'll comprise my kitchen island, and a couple of base 18s, one that'll just be a regular 18-inch base, and the other 18-inch base will have the trash can and recycling can insert. I was also able to convince my carrier to take the extra pallet away. I've gotten multiple pallets throughout this project, and I don't need any more pallets, so if you guys need pallets, hit me up. I am trying to get rid of them. I end the day by drywalling this linen closet off of the main bathroom upstairs. Again, I'm using this blue mold and moisture resistant sheetrock, and it's a little bit of a tedious project because I had to tidy up a few of those studs, but all in all, I'm really happy with how it turned out, and I was able to get the full front of this wall and the entire closet done tonight.